Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to turn off restricted mode on YouTube. First, you have to launch your YouTube application and make sure that you're using the latest version of your YouTube. Ever wonder why you can't comment to a specific video, or you cannot like, or you can't do anything but to watch that video, and you can't even share it, something like that? So that means the restriction on that video or the restriction of your setting is on. So how are we going to turn that off, since that is our tutorial? So all you have to do is to tap your profile and then go to your settings, and we have some options here, but you just have to tap settings. Okay, and once you're in settings, all you have to do is to tap general. You have to look for that. Sometimes it's the first option here. So click this one and you have to scroll down. And as you can see, we have here restricted mode. So it says this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate. This setting only applies to this app on this device. So always remember that this one should be toggled off. This one shouldn't be toggled on in order for you to enjoy everything here on your YouTube. Now, if after doing that, you are still encountering restrictions on YouTube, so all you have to do is to go back to your profile again, tap this manage your Google account, go to personal information, scroll down and adjust your basic information, specifically your birthday. That's it. Always make sure that you're above 18 or you're more than that. And that's how you turn off restriction mode on YouTube. If you find this video helpful and informative, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.